The world of robotics is rapidly evolving, and is changing the way we live and work. From manufacturing to healthcare, from agriculture to transportation, robots are transforming industries and creating new opportunities for investors. In this video, we'll explore the business of robotics and how investors can benefit from this growing industry. We'll look at the latest trends, the key players, and the potential risks and rewards of investing in robotics. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the exciting world of robotics and how you can invest in the future. The robotics industry has been growing at an impressive rate over the past decade. According to a report by the International Federation of Robotics, the global sales of robots increased by 16% in 2018, reaching a new record of 422,000 units. The manufacturing industry is the largest user of robots, accounting for 35% of all robot installations. However, other industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and logistics are also adopting robotics technology to improve efficiency and productivity. In healthcare, robots are being used for surgical procedures, patient care, and drug discovery. In agriculture, robots are being used for planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. In logistics, robots are being used for warehouse automation and delivery. Even in our homes, robots are becoming more common. From robot vacuum cleaners to smart home assistants, the consumer robotics market is also growing rapidly. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry, where robots are being used for everything from theme park attractions to movies. The possibilities for robotics are endless, and the industry is only going to continue to grow. The robotics industry is made up of a diverse range of companies, from startups to established players. Let's take a look at some of the key players in the industry. Boston Dynamics is a well-known robotics company that specializes in creating robots that can move and interact with their environment. Their robots have been used for everything from military applications to entertainment. KUKA is a German robotics company that focuses on industrial robots for manufacturing and logistics. They are one of the largest suppliers of industrial robots in the world. FANUC is a Japanese robotics company that specializes in industrial robots and automation systems. They are known for their high-quality robots and have a strong presence in the automotive industry. SoftBank Robotics is a subsidiary of the Japanese conglomerate SoftBank Group. They are known for their humanoid robots, such as Pepper, which are designed to interact with humans in a variety of settings. DJI is a Chinese company that specializes in drones for aerial photography and videography. They are the largest drone manufacturer in the world and have a strong presence in the consumer market. Even companies like Tesla are getting in on the robotics game with their advanced autonomous driving technology. These are just a few examples of the many companies that are driving innovation in the robotics industry. So, how can investors get in on the action in the robotics industry? One way is through investing in individual companies that are involved in robotics. Investors can buy stocks in companies like Boston Dynamics, KUKA, FANUC, SoftBank Robotics, GI, and Tesla, among others. However, investing in individual stocks can be risky, as the performance of a single company can be affected by a variety of factors. Another option is to invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds (ETF) that focus on robotics and automation. Robo-advisors, which use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios, can also be a good option for investors looking to get exposure to the robotics industry. Finally, attending robotics conferences and events can be a great way to learn about the latest trends and network with industry professionals. Whatever your investment strategy, it's clear that the robotics industry is a growing and exciting field with plenty of opportunities for investors. While investing in the robotics industry can offer potential rewards, it's important to be aware of the potential risks as well. As with any investment, there is always the risk of a company going bankrupt or underperforming. There is also the risk of cybersecurity threats, such as data breaches, which can have a significant impact on a company's stock price. Regulatory changes can also affect the performance of companies in the robotics industry, particularly those involved in healthcare and defense. On the other hand, investing in the robotics industry can offer significant rewards, particularly for those who get in early on a successful company or technology. The key is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in the industry. With the robotics industry poised for continued growth and innovation, there are plenty of opportunities for investors to get in on the ground floor and invest in the future. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've learned something new about the exciting world of robotics and investing in the future.